I am Mahrang Baloch, the organizer of Baloch Activity Committee. I am addressing you all from Gwadar. Gwadar is under siege from the last 4 days. Baloch Activity Committee has organized a Baloch National Gathering on 28th of July. Baloch National Gathering was a protest against Baloch genocide and the gross human rights violations in Balochistan. And for this gathering, whole of the Balochistan was marching towards Gwadar to stage their protest in Gwadar. But they stayed rather than sitting with the protesters, rather than facilitating the protest. They have started a huge crackdown against the national gathering. Till then, we don't have the reports outside Gwadar. But in Gwadar, military has taken over the streets and it has injured many people and abducted more than 500 people. And we still don't have the data that how many people are injured because the hospitals are sealed and the injured people have no access for their health facilities. And outside Gwadar, the Baloch masses have also organized sit-in in multiple regions of Balochistan. But the state has used violence against those protesters while abducting several human beings and women protesters. This all is happening in Gwadar, in Balochistan. A huge humanitarian crisis is right now happening in Balochistan. And the government, state, all the judiciary is facilitating this crackdown. Baloch masses have no right for peaceful assembly, have no right for freedom of expression, and their all rights have been snatched. Our eyes are upon international community. We request you all, the international media, to give coverage to this barbarism of the state and also to the international human rights organizations to intervene and immediately act, because your delay can cause innocent life losses. And we are still persistent to continue our sit-in, and we will persist to continue our struggle against Baloch genocide. And those who are resisting this genocide and policies are affirmed that they will succeed. And also there are reports that many people have been killed in this peaceful protest. I request to the international community to immediately take actions against Pakistani state barbarism and save Baloch people and join their struggle against Baloch genocide. Thank you.